yo, we are record. Yeah, man, we are Bumbuckler record. The one that day we get people who back in fully blood clot effect. Right now we have a song from Antuwang. Pop the balloon. You did me I say. I don't know them name a dangerous dog. I don't know pronounce it right, but hey, me I play catch up in the war. You see me I say me drop around 5 video already today. You did me? I drop another 5. No chap go. We are do everything until we catch up to the song we drop this morning or 9 hours ago by Mali Dan. I don't remember the name of that song there, but that's song we play catch up to. Let me see if it's the right song. Let me see if it's the recommended. See that 13 hours ago actually. Sweets man. You did me I say. So that song they need for react to. So we are trying to catch up to the song right now. Let me see if we miss no song. Skill the Bengal job song we have to react to that. Turn on your fast, you fuck dog. Bumbuckler dog. You can't wait man. Bumbuckler man. Chop. Raw cat. That's again at the war too. That's again part of the war too, people. Raw cash. Bad alone. Is a song part of the war too. Few days ago. I don't know. Make us work on TJ Japa song 2 days ago, but war so hot, the man that sang get last night sauce to Bumbuckler. So this is the shit. This is what. Because I read the comments in the dark. Because the man that comment, people that comment, right up and video in the dark. And I say, yo, Mali Dan skip a fight in Miami and Mali Dan goes to boom my teeth in Granite Chain. And see it as another thumbnail of people. But this song came out 6 days ago and only got 600k views, right? I was to boom and go up and look on the single job 2 days ago. So Skipper get the whole of the views in the war. And that me a pre-war go on. But we see what go on. Let's chat things. I just say what with it right now. People. Make us see what go on. Pop the balloon and find the match. Blood clot. Pop the balloon and find the match.
Walk with grace.
Fuck dog.
Walk with grace.
See everything. So you know it's the part of the war.
Big up on yourself, here ladies.
Big up the girl them.
Fuck your mother. Chip like in your face, man. No boy.
When since you a bang and no call center, you walk what day ya? Call flicks for lift up that killer. Start the code, the girl them so you.
So you up on the 6 side. Can we see you knocking to the 7 head? So why you use a bit? Why you use a ready man? Hold on them man. We lucky in that. We don't want to miss none. Come in. When since you're a banger, you're a car center little boy. What day ya?
Call flicks for lift up that killer.
Yeah.
Start the code, the girl them so you a raper. Bust out the expert, I can't go see 6 like half state and run off Jamaica.
So hold on, 6 like half state and run off Jamaica. We get it. You see me say, Sparta can't go see. Wait, so is your Yagi the dog a forward? Yagi Sparta side a forward? And that a go on. But hold on, man. 6 like half state. I run off Jamaica. Go on.
That killer start the code, the girl them say you a raper. Bust out the expert, I can't go see 6 like half state and run off Jamaica. Suck your mother boy, you want your tan and no paper. Shut up, pop the balloon, no see no boy, I'm afraid that. My beer a 6 compound. I'm too big pussy, melon in 19. Swing my key, me turn up the crime scene. From millions, if I turn up the same.
When that rhyme so much, I want to go dog. You dance, I want to big pussy melon in 19. Hold on, listen to
I'm too big pussy, melon in 19. Swing my key, me turn up the crime scene. From millions, if I turn up the siren. I paint without a roof, it's a couple CLS 53. So me turn up the high beam. Me all of them a body man, living a family flow, stop copy man. Stop wife up chinchilla, but you.
Maybe that go lie to the dog. Me read the song a while ago, the dog from what name? Melanie 19, the dog. Is it man? Felony 19, right? And me I say, you know, Tommy Lee left for impact. And somebody come and say, yo, the man say, yo, you live with that Tommy Lee flow. Me blood clot. Go on. War nice.
My body man, living a family flow, stop copy man. Stop wife up chinchilla, but you doll. Preacher when I'm pussy, them a animal. Post attack, I go and put it viral. No post attack, my force to the 9 gal. Ask me want see which pussy child dance. 641, win a big program. I must play them up, make them feel bad. Hey, are with the 15 and 3 mad. No 2 kissy, you no real mad.
I must spill them up and make them feel bad. And because, you know, so because Skeng man, now run for Papi Mali. But that's on why we are talking about, you know, we not talk about, yeah. Let's left that one. But why? Forget that.
Every show you dead boy, you scrape jump change that about how often you do your dub plate. He kick us a break boy, you know no gears. Move with your old pens that nah no plate. shorty, and make like a cooley fool. I check a bag of garbage, me I go use the broom. Him hang out loose round like a villa. Can't afford good Benz, go buy your proper man.
Yeah.
Attack, I go and put it viral. No force at all, my force to the 9 gal.
Yeah.
Ask me want see which pussy try dance.
Try what?
We no take program. I must peel them up, make them feel bad. Hey, are with the 15 and
3 mag.
no two kissy, on real mad train. We are run China soccer for sea bag.
Me sorry for Chin, dog. Chin I catch a bunch of stray in that song, yeah. But Chin, apparently, yeah, battery, dolly. Right.
Man, them a link fit slapping a bumbo clap face. But we defend that. One bag of man does that debate. All night time and I see fucking son at.
That's what man bag of DJs do about night time. I see the fucking sun at.
Because it's not.
Kind of style that a record man I walk on road, dog. But anyways, war nice, war a go on. I think we catch up right now, people. You see me I say, if we not think, I think we miss a song, like from Rockash, straight direct to that song, you know, don't do that comment section. But until then, I'm going to do the Malidan right now. You see me I say, I'm going to do the Malidan song right now. We dropped 13 hours ago because, you know, I play catch up. And we could actually catch up yesterday, but they know all the songs already. But big up on yourself with keeping me up to date on what really are going on. And we catch up now so we can go to and relax and make some thumbnail and make sure my video look professional again. Because you know, so I don't do them things, you know, dog. I now in my background and now I show everything. I show me look white wall, I'm cool, I'm a scotch and bunky banger easy. You know me I say, well, hey, we are running. Video man come out fast. You know me I say, I will catch up. So we're going to do skip up and make myself a cup of tea. Because from where come on the right, so I make video. You know me I say, I'm a god.